Hi, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I enhanced my living room TV by adding LED lights that I received from an Amazon seller. And to be honest, I was completely happy with the end result, so I'm going to show you how I did it. Alright, so this is the box I received in the mail. The brand is Hit Lights, and so in the box it comes with a type of magnet. And it also comes with the little power adapter attachment piece that you will plug into this piece. And then this foil package is where the LED lights are actually inside of it, and then they have this little sticky that you can stick to the TV to hide the wires. I couldn't get it to focus, but that's what I'm just telling you what it is. This is the spool of the LED lights, and I got the 16 feet one, and so yeah, I'm going to show you how I applied it to my TV. I did make sure I had my TV wiped down because it was just covered in dust, and so they say it would stick better if it was just wiped and cleaned off, so I went ahead and did that. And then I was also trying to decide if I wanted to just unravel the whole thing and then start placing it. It has a little sticky on the back, which I was also sent additional 3M foam stickies just in case this didn't work for me, but I was totally satisfied with how this one ends up sticking, just because if I decide later on, hey, I want to remove it, I'm able to. So I went ahead and just stuck with it, and I was actually pretty satisfied. So I'm going to show you how I ring it around my TV, which I have a 65-inch flat screen, and it sticks pretty well. And then when it comes to the little curved edges, you just got to kind of make it a U shape, so you don't super bend the wires, but also you can't cut it to adjust it how you want. So you kind of just got to U it, and then yeah, just do it along the rest of the TV. Alright, so this is my TV all lined up with the LED lights, and so yeah, I rang it around the whole TV, and then the U shape just to make it so it doesn't get solely bent and damage the light. So I just did it that way, and yeah, trying to focus, and did it on each corner besides the bottom right, just because I wasn't going to ring it up towards the wire, because I didn't want it really overlapping it a little bit, so I just didn't worry about it. And you can't really tell from that corner edge anyways. So yeah, just making sure everything is laid down correctly, and oh, you can still see all that dust. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like plugged in. Alright, the cool thing about these lights is that the one I received, it's like Bluetooth, so it can be connected to my phone or my iPad or whatever device I want, and I can also customize how I want the light to be, whether I want it just solely bright or if I want to make it a little lighter shade, and I can just control it that way versus having the remote, which you can only pick certain colors for the remote or like just do the random colors. But I'm completely satisfied, and it's entertaining to just watch the lights change or add it to some music. It's just deeply satisfying to me, and I look forward to potentially doing it with different spots in my house and maybe doing it to my upstairs TV, who knows, but I just know I deeply enjoy it a lot, and I think it turned out pretty great, and I'm completely satisfied. So yeah, enjoy it as much as I do.
So young.